Hello everyone. Today we will study about demolition safety under the project management. So first we have to understand the importance of safety. So safety has and always be the most important part of construction, renovations and demolitions. Always having the best and most up-to-date equipment as well as taking the necessary precautions has saved countless lives throughout the years. So these precautions are simple and easy things that you should always be sure to do. This precaution takes just a few minutes to observe but could make the difference when it comes to a safe demolition. Here are the top 5 safety precautions for demolition. So here we can find top 5 safety precautions for demolitions. The first one is equipment, second final sweep, third experience and trained employees, fourth brace ceiling and walkways, and the last cleaning up debris. So first one is equipment. So employees should always be knowledgeable of all aspect of work regardless of their specialty or area of work. So it's important that each and every employee understand what equipment should be worn and present throughout the demolition. Make sure that each employee also known and understand how to use each piece of equipment properly. This quick and simple sweep to make sure each employee has all the proper equipment required can help and save lives and prevent any or all future injuries as you go throughout the demolition. So in addition, make sure that each employee has a hard hat as well as a mask, gloves and work boots. Then final sweep. Always do a final sweep before demolition begins. It's absolutely recommended to go into each and every room including closets, bathroom and hallways to ensure that everyone and everything is out of the building. It's necessary to assure that each worker is out of the building and at a safe distance before demolition begins. Likewise, make sure that the building is monitored by employees to make sure that unauthorized people do not get close to the demolition site. If others are present, make sure all equipment is occupied and readily available to anyone newcomers. So assign someone to assure the final sweep has been made. Make sure that everyone knows who to report to. So once the final sweep is done, notify the person in charge. The demolition can then take place safely. The third one is experience and trained employees. So it's absolutely necessary that only trained and experienced employee handle the more dangerous and explosive materials. These employees should be qualified, professional, mature and experienced enough to handle the responsibility and carefulness required by those handling explosive. So these employees, if trained correctly, can help prevent accidents on the work site. The fourth one is brass ceiling and walkways. So if for any reason anyone need to enter the building, it's necessary for every ceiling and walkway to be braced. This will easily provide extra support in case an accident occurs helping prevent a huge amount of accidents, injuries, and even deaths. So, last important point, that is cleaning up debris. So make sure that all employees are wearing and equipped with the proper equipment to clean up any and all debris once the demolition has taken place. This equipment includes gloves, a mask, and work boots. Most importantly, however, make sure that only authorized employees are present during the cleanup and demolition. This stage can be very dangerous, but taking these necessary steps can prevent an array of injuries and accident. So at the last, safety is always the most important thing while doing anything, especially throughout construction or demolitions. By doing these five simple things, we could easily save lives, reduce injuries, and make the most of any demolition. So, lastly, I would like to share 10 important tips for staying safe on a demolition site. So, the first step is be asbestos aware. Personal protective equipment must be worn. Prevent accidents with training, qualification, and experience. Monitor noise, vibration, and dust. Keep the site clean. Manage traffic movement. Risk assessment and method statements are essential. Be aware of proximity to plant. Maintain a stream of communication, and the last, manage waste disposal. So here we can understand the importance of safety during our demolition work. So thanks for watching.